Should we be worried about AI? In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly transformed various aspects of our lives, from enhancing efficiency in industries to making our daily tasks easier. However, this swift advancement raises critical questions about the implications and potential dangers that lie ahead. As AI systems become increasingly autonomous and capable, we must assess whether we should genuinely be worried about their development and influence on society. One of the primary concerns surrounding AI is the ethical implications of its decision-making processes. As these systems begin to operate with minimal human oversight, the fear of bias and inequality emerges. Algorithms are trained on vast data sets, which might inadvertently reflect societal prejudices. This can lead to unfair outcomes in critical areas such as hiring practices, law enforcement, and even medical diagnoses. Consequently, ensuring transparency and fairness in AI systems becomes paramount to avoid deepening existing societal divides. Another significant issue is job displacement due to automation. As AI technology continues to progress, many fear that it could replace human workers in various fields, from manufacturing to professional services. The shift towards automation can undoubtedly improve productivity, yet it also carries the potential to render certain jobs obsolete. This reality necessitates a conversation about reskilling the workforce and preparing individuals for a future where human-AI collaboration is the norm, rather than a cause for alarm. Lastly, the potential for misuse of AI technology is a pressing issue. With powerful tools at their disposal, malicious actors may leverage AI for nefarious purposes, ranging from creating deepfakes to sophisticated cyber attacks. The threat of increasingly convincing misinformation or disinformation campaigns poses a risk not only to individual privacy, but also to the fabric of democratic institutions. Vigilance in regulating and managing AI technology is crucial to mitigating these risks and ensuring its responsible application. In conclusion, while AI offers tremendous possibilities to elevate human capabilities and enhance various sectors, it undeniably comes with significant risks that warrant our attention. It is essential for society to engage in open conversations about the ethical and societal implications of AI development. By fostering collaboration among technologists, policymakers, and the public, we can work towards a future where AI benefits all, rather than instills fear. Striking the right balance is not just necessary, but imperative. Will AI replace programmers? The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, has sparked debates about its potential to transform various industries, particularly programming. Today, many professionals in the tech world wonder if AI will replace programmers or if it will act as a collaborative tool to enhance efficiency and creativity in coding. In considering the role of AI in programming, one cannot ignore the advancements in machine learning and natural language processing. Tools like code generators and intelligent code completion are already assisting developers by automating repetitive tasks and suggesting optimized solutions. These innovations allow programmers to focus on higher-level design and problem-solving, rather than spending hours debugging or writing boilerplate code. However, the idea of AI completely replacing programmers is still far-fetched. The creative and analytical aspects of programming require human intuition and emotional intelligence, qualities that AI, regardless of how advanced, cannot replicate. Software development involves understanding user needs, reflecting on ethical implications, and designing user-friendly interfaces. These tasks demand a degree of empathy and insight that machines simply cannot achieve. Consider the complex interplay of technology and human creativity. Programmers are not just code writers, they are individuals who shape the future with their knowledge and vision. The emergence of AI has the potential to redefine job roles rather than eliminate them entirely. Programmers may need to pivot towards roles that emphasize system design, architecture, and the ethical implications of AI applications. The collaboration between AI and human programmers can lead to remarkable innovations, allowing developers to achieve greater heights in software creation. As we move forward, it is essential to cultivate a harmonious relationship between AI and human intelligence. Instead of perceiving AI as a threat, professionals should view it as an ally. Embracing continuous learning to adapt to AI technology is crucial. Over time, this synergy could enhance overall productivity and creativity. Tools powered by AI will likely handle a portion of the workload, empowering programmers to focus on groundbreaking ideas and innovative solutions. In conclusion, AI is here to change the landscape of programming, but it is unlikely to replace human programmers entirely. Instead, it augments their capabilities, allowing them to innovate and tackle challenges in new and exciting ways. The evolution of programming will rely on the balance of AI efficiency and human ingenuity, paving the way for a collaborative future. Does AI actually boost developer productivity? In today's fast-evolving tech landscape, the presence of artificial intelligence, AI, has sparked a revolution in various sectors, especially in software development. Developers are increasingly embracing AI technologies, seeking to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. But does AI truly deliver on this promise? As we delve deeper, we find that it offers significant benefits that can aid developers immensely. The first major advantage AI brings is automation. Tasks that once consumed hours, such as code debugging and bug fixing, can now be managed swiftly through AI-driven tools. These advancements allow developers to focus on creative problem-solving and innovation, rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. For instance, AI can suggest code improvements and find vulnerabilities, which minimizes manual oversight and accelerates project timelines, giving developers a newfound efficiency. Moreover, AI-powered platforms facilitate enhanced collaboration among teams. With code review tools that leverage machine learning, developers receive real-time insights into their code, empowering them to improve their work instantly. These collaborative tools enhance communication and foster a culture of learning and adaptation, as team members quickly share knowledge and brainstorm innovative solutions together. Consequently, the synergy created within development teams boosts overall productivity and project success. On the flip side, skepticism lingers about AI's role in software development. Some argue that reliance on artificial intelligence may lead to a superficial understanding of coding concepts among developers. However, when viewed through a different lens, AI serves as an assistant rather than a replacement. By handling tedious tasks, it enables developers to immerse themselves in more complex and enriching projects, essentially transforming their roles and responsibilities. AI isn't designed to overshadow human creativity, but to augment it. In conclusion, AI indeed plays a pivotal role in enhancing developer productivity. Through automation of mundane tasks, facilitating collaboration, and allowing developers to regain focus on high-level creativity, AI is emerging as a valuable ally in the software development journey. As the tech world continues to evolve, embracing such advancements will be essential to maximizing operational efficiency and unleashing the full potential of developer teams. The future looks bright for those who integrate AI into their development toolkit. Best way to use AI for coding. In today's fast-paced technological landscape, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, AI, for coding can significantly enhance productivity. AI tools offer a myriad of functionalities that streamline workflows, making coding faster and more efficient. Whether you're a novice or an experienced developer, integrating AI into your coding process can revolutionize how you approach software development. The first step in utilizing AI for coding is to leverage intelligent code completion tools. These advanced tools analyze your existing code and suggest completions in real time, allowing you to code more swiftly and with greater accuracy. As you type, AI predicts the next lines of code, reducing the potential for typographical errors while enhancing your coding speed. Imagine writing complex algorithms while the AI assists you by providing the necessary code suggestions, leaving you to focus on the logic and problem-solving aspects of your project. Moreover, AI can play a pivotal role in debugging and code review processes. Traditional debugging can be tedious and time-consuming, but with AI-driven tools, you can automate error detection, ensuring that bugs are identified and rectified early. These tools can analyze vast blocks of code at lightning speed, pinpointing potential issues that might have gone unnoticed. For example, they can scrutinize patterns, context, and syntax, ultimately leading to cleaner code and fewer runtime errors. Additionally, AI can facilitate an enhanced learning curve for programmers. By accessing code samples, tutorials, and follow-along guides curated by AI, developers can immerse themselves in best practices. These personalized learning experiences provide insights into how proficient coders solve problems and implement sophisticated techniques, enriching your coding knowledge. Furthermore, AI algorithms can optimize resource management in software development. They can analyze user interactions, performance metrics, and server loads to predict future demands. This enables developers to allocate resources more effectively, ensuring that applications run smoothly, even under heavy usage. As a result, you can create more robust and scalable applications, ultimately improving user satisfaction. In conclusion, the best way to harness AI for coding is to embrace the multitude of tools available that enhance productivity, simplify debugging, and provide educational resources. By integrating these AI technologies into your coding practices, you can elevate your development process and drive innovation. The future of coding is intertwined with AI, and embracing this transformation will set the stage for unparalleled growth and efficiency. AI tools for coding interview. Navigating the world of programming interviews can be overwhelming, especially with the added pressure of demonstrating technical proficiency under time constraints. Fortunately, the emergence of AI tools has transformed this experience, making preparations smoother and more effective. One of the most valuable AI tools for coding interview preparation is a code assessment platform. These platforms analyze a candidate's coding skills by presenting coding challenges tailored to specific job roles. As the candidate writes code, the AI provides real-time feedback, highlighting errors and offering suggestions for improvement. This immediate response nurtures proficiency, allowing candidates to hone their skills through practice and repetition. Additionally, AI-driven interview simulators replicate the real interview experience. By generating coding questions similar to those asked by major tech companies, these simulators build familiarity and confidence in candidates. The tools often incorporate a voice assistant that conducts mock interviews, guiding candidates through questions and assessing their responses. This interactive format helps improve not only coding skills, but also communication abilities, which are crucial during actual interviews. Another notable tool is an AI buddy that helps dissect complex algorithms and coding concepts. By enabling candidates to ask questions and receive instant explanations, these AI buddies function as a personalized tutor. This interactive approach helps clarify difficult topics, providing comprehensive insights that enhance understanding and retention. The power of such tools lies in their access to vast data sets, allowing them to break down intricate concepts into understandable chunks. To complement the coding practice, AI-based analytics tools track a candidate's progress over time. These tools analyze performance metrics, such as completion rates and average response times, enabling candidates to identify strengths and areas needing improvement. Furthermore, many AI platforms foster a community where candidates can collaborate, exchange tips, and share resources, creating a supportive network during the preparation phase. Incorporating these AI tools into coding prep routines not only cultivates technical abilities, but also develops a strategic mindset towards interviews. Candidates can approach each problem with a methodical attitude, minimizing anxiety and maximizing their chances of impressing potential employers. Ultimately, embracing these technological advancements enhances the overall interviewing process, setting candidates on a path toward success. Know the risk when using AI agents. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence, AI agents, are transforming industries and enhancing our daily operations. However, as we embrace these intelligent systems, it is crucial to acknowledge the risks that accompany their use. Understanding these risks can help mitigate potential issues and ensure that the integration of AI agents is both effective and safe. One significant risk posed by AI agents is the question of data privacy. These agents require vast amounts of data to function optimally, often processing personal information. If not handled correctly, this can lead to breaches of sensitive data, putting individuals' privacy at risk. Users must recognize the importance of data security practices and be vigilant about the information they share with AI systems, ensuring they are operating under robust privacy policies. Another risk lies in the potential for bias within AI algorithms. AI agents learn patterns from historical data, which can inadvertently include human biases. This can lead to unequal treatment of users based on race, gender, or socioeconomic status when decisions are made by AI systems. Therefore, it is essential for developers and organizations to actively work towards identifying and eliminating biases in AI training data, fostering fair outcomes for all users. Moreover, The reliance on AI agents can lead to reduced human oversight. As these agents automate processes and decision-making, there is a danger of humans becoming overly dependent on them. This can result in a loss of critical thinking skills and a lack of accountability when errors occur. Users must maintain a balance between trusting AI capabilities while ensuring that they remain engaged and involved in the decision-making processes where necessary. Lastly, the rapid advancement of AI technologies poses a risk due to the pace of change outstripping regulations. Policymakers often struggle to keep up with AI developments, resulting in a legal framework that may be inadequate to manage emerging risks effectively. As individuals, it is important to stay informed about the regulatory landscape, advocating for responsible AI practices that prioritize human welfare and ethical standards. In conclusion, while AI agents can offer incredible benefits, acknowledging their risks is crucial for the responsible use of this technology. By understanding data privacy concerns, acknowledging bias, ensuring human oversight, and advocating for regulation, users can navigate the complexities associated with AI agents more effectively and safely.